Morning to all of you. Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. May His blessings be on the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him and on all of us. Respected President of this mega function, Mufti Haji Dr. Salahuddin Muhammad Ayub Sahib, Chief Haji, Government of Tamil Nadu, Honorable Chief Guest Padma Bhushan Musa Raza, IAS retired, N. Sankaraya, Senior Leader, Communist Party of India, Muhtarama Janaba Parveen Amanullah, daughter of Janab Sayyid Shahabuddin, IFS retired from Delhi. Respected Dr. C.K. Tamidarasan, MLA on the way, National General Secretary and President for the College Management Committee and Khadim Millet Educational and Social Trust, guests, parents, staff members, administrative staff and my dear students, it is a great honor and privilege to me to welcome you all. Brief history of the college. The college is named after the great leader of the nation, Khadim Millet, Janab Allah Muhammad Ismail Sahib. He is the leader who carved the Constitution of Ambedkar and others. He is the member of Constituent Assembly which framed the Constitution of India in the post-independence era. His services to the nation during the days of pre-independence and post-independence period and during Indo-China War are memorable. His speeches in the Lok Sabha is still guide to many parliamentarians. The college was established and being maintained by the Khadim Millet Education and Social Trust since the year 1975. This college is recognized as a postgraduate and research institution affiliated to the University of Madras. This college fulfills the educational aspirations of the downtrodden, particularly SCs, STs, MBCs, BCs and minorities. I want to mention with pride and satisfaction that this year we have admitted 34% SC students, 3% ST students and 42 MBC students, besides minorities and OBCs. True to the aspirations of the great leader Khadim Millet, this college is steered to newer heights by the grandson of Khadim Millet, Janab M.J. Dawood Mia Khan Sahib. Khadim Millet was the champion of the cause for the cause of women's education and upliftment in India. He wanted equal status for women. As per the wishes of Khadim Millet, who was the founding member of the great institution, advocated the cause of women, and despite still stiff resistance from various sections, this men college was converted into a co-educational institution in the year 1991. And at present, more than 50% of the students admitted are women. We collect only rupees 270 as annual fee from the entire age students without any revision for the past 20 years. All the dignitaries seated in the dais needs no introduction. However, I shall make a brief introduction about the noble personalities. Padma Bhushan Musa Raza joined the Indian Administrative Service in the year 1960 and rose to the level of the Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He served as Chief Secretary of Jammu and Kashmir, Advisor to the Governor of Uttar Pradesh and Secretary to the Government of India. During the course of his services, he has been awarded the President's Silver Medal, the Shiromani Award, the Indira Priyadarshini Award, the Jewel of India Award, the Pride of India Award and several other awards. Musa Raza has authored many books such as Nawabs and Nightingales, In Search of Oneness, which is a non-fiction book and has received wide acclaim from its readers. The book talks about the similarity between the Hinduism, Islam and Christianity in a very noble way. He is a poet and has written many poems in Urdu. After retirement from Indian Administrative Service, he was honored as a member of the National Integration Council of India, headed by the Prime Minister of India, and he was a member for several years. Presently, he is the chairman of SIT Trust. I extend my heartiest welcome to the charming personality, Dr. Musa Raza. I welcome you, sir. I welcome Dr. Reverend Devasayam, well-known personality, Bishop. He is loved and respected by all the peoples of this state, irrespective of the religion affinity. Dr. Devasayam is not new to this institution. His speech as chief guest on the occasion of the convocation function of this college is still fresh in our memories. On behalf of management, myself, I welcome you, sir. I most welcome Dr. Sadiq Sahib, former Vice Chancellor of Madras University and former Director of MIT Crumpage. Dr. Sadiq Sahib is a honorary patron of this college and he always extends a helping hand whenever his services are required in this institution. I welcome our most respected Chief Qazi Sahib. I extend a warm welcome to the man behind the success of this renowned institution, Janab M.J. Dawood Mia Khan Sahib. I also welcome Janab U. Muhammad Shahabuddin Sahib, Treasurer, Janab Ashfaq Rafi Sahib, Advocate and Joint Secretary, Janab Shahul Ahmed Sahib, Joint Secretary, Janab M.S.B. Tajuddin Sahib, Janab Jamal Abdullah Sahib, Janab Jamal Sadiq Sahib, Janab Ayat Ismail Sahib, guest families of management trustees, mutawallis of masjids, members of social organizations, press and media persons, staff of this college and other institutions, and pillars of these functions, my dear students. The awardees will be introduced by our secretary and correspondents. Thank you very much.
மரியாதைக்குரிய முஃப்தி சலாஹுத்தீன் முகமது அய்யூப் சாஹிப் அவர்களை